Guys, today I wanna show you the multimeter, which I believe should be the best for the money, for a small budget, like for some simple works, nothing super special, not rocket science, but if you need something for your home to make a simple checks, I believe this one is a good multimeter for your purpose and for your budget. So this is ATEX City. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have here our electrodes. It says Cat2 600 volts 10 amps. Okay, it has caps on the end of each wire. Feels pretty nice. It has nice grip here, and it's like has a triangle shape, so it's really convenient to take with 3 fingers and hold it. Okay, here is the device. Let's see. Here you go. It has a film, protective film. It has off. Okay, awesome. So the model is ETEC CT MSR A600. It has a stand, so you can put it like this, and you can do your work, your readings. Let's actually connect. Okay, come. Oh, I like. You see, it's almost like maybe 2 centimeters long, so it's really secure and protected. Okay, what we can try? We can try beeper function. Okay, cool. So it has hold function, release, and how about lights? Oh yeah, it has a light. You see? Okay, nice. And it has this rubber protection case on top of the device. So you see, it's a rubber, pretty nice touch feeling. Smells okay. And it says it has 2 AAA batteries. Okay, let's put it back. Maybe from this side. And for storage purposes, it has this way of storing. Yep. So guys, cool multimeter, under 20 bucks. I would recommend. If you like it, you can buy. I will post a link in the description. So if you want to see more reviews for some handy stuff, because I'm handyman. I like to do stuff by myself. So yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, see you later, bye bye.